Hey everybody, Steve coming back at you here with another quick tip or quick hack on how to tarp a ridge. Now this is something that was requested by one of our viewers, so I wanted to show this to you here. One thing that I did want to also show you is you can do this even in a post-storm, post-hurricane environment, whatever the case may be. A lot of times in, let's say you have a big hurricane or a big tornado that comes through, a lot of the tarps from your Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Menards, wherever you're at, they're probably going to be gone. So I wanted to show you one piece of equipment that you can use. It's called synthetic felt, and you can use this instead of a tarp actually. So what you can do is you can just buy the synthetic felt in the roofing section, and let's say you have a really long strip of ridge that you have to do. Like right here, we only have about a 1 foot strip. Let's say you had to do this whole ridge, you had lost your whole ridge. Instead of tarping a bunch of unnecessary areas, you could just go ahead, start right here, start before the problem area or the affected area, and you want to take your synthetic felt, take the roll, and you want to put it about middle of the ridge, okay? And again, this is not an exact science. We're not building furniture. We're just trying to stop any more damage from happening. So you'll go ahead and roll your felt out just a little bit, and whoop, you go ahead and pop a nail down here, and you just keep rolling it out. And about every 2 feet, you go ahead and pop a nail in. It just depends on how long this tarp is going to have to sit here before you actually have the repairs made to the property. So I've got this done right here. What I'm now going to do is take my razor blade. You can get one of these at Walmart or a pocket knife. If you're in a real bad situation, you can use a kitchen knife, I guess. And just come down through here. And this stuff is actually pretty sturdy, so even with the razor blade, it can be a little bit difficult to cut. Pull our hammer back out and put a few more nails down. Again, this does not mean that if you have a couple shingles blow off, you can just put this up one time and you bought yourself a year with no leaks. What it means is you stop the water from coming in for now. You need to go ahead and call in your insurance company or have a professional come out and do an assessment to go ahead and make sure that any of this damage is going to be properly addressed. Putting a tarp, using synthetic felt, things like that, that's just a band-aid. You want to address the main issue. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, leave us a like or a comment. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one.